Hello, hi, my name is Lovina Sylvia Chidi, and today I'm going to show you how to create a map visualization with Power BI. What I'm going to do is just quickly launch my Power BI desktop. And what we're going to do is we're going to be creating a map visual report using Power BI and using a simple spreadsheet with, that has some state information in it. So first, let's get the data. The data I'm going to use is open source and it's called the states revenue spreadsheet. So I'm just going to load that in very quickly. And you can see I've got a states revenue CSV file. There are lots of information in that file. You can see I've got state data. That alone is enough to create a map visual. I've got year and I've got other bits of information that people might find useful, like total revenue, state revenue, local revenue, total expenditure. We're just going to load this really quickly into Power BI. And one of the things I say to people is your visuals are as good as your data. So really we should be cleaning our data. On our right hand side we can see all our fields, and really we should be cleaning this, but we've got enough information to create a map visual already. So the most important thing is to make sure that Power BI knows that that column is a state field. So you see it's uncategorized at the moment. Power BI does not know that it's a state column. So I'm just going to find what it is. It's a state or province, and I'm going to choose that. That is enough immediately to create a map visual. So here we go into our visualizations. You can see there is something called a map. You've also got that bit, but we'll start with maps. And what you need to do is just make sure you size it like really properly. And already, all you need to do is just simply drag. And Power BI understands that. You see, it's already told you where all your states are. It's showing on the map. Isn't that brilliant? In less than, a few seconds, you have map visualization. And then for your users, you might want to show them, okay, if they hover around a particular bubble, then you might want to give them more information. Maybe you want to give them state revenue, or you want to show them total expenditure, or you want to show them total revenue. They can just hover and you can see you're getting more information. So if I hover around California, I can see my state revenue, my total expenditure, my total revenue. And you can do a lot more with this as well. You can format it. So if you go like to the formatting tab, you can change colors. If you don't like the green, you can change that to red. You can have categories on, and you see that already gives labels. I like the fact that you can have categories on. I think that's really cool. And under formatting, there's a lot more. You can change the title of your map. So you can see, I can just make that state revenue map. That's all. It's as easy. It's so easy. And you can see I already have a very nice map visual. Just by clicking on this, I could change to another type of visual. And if I had more custom visuals that I have imported into Power BI that are related to maps, I just need to click on it. It's loading at the moment, so it will take a little while. But you can see this is a different type of visual. This is a different type, and it also looks cool. And that brings me to the end of this session. My next session will be on using DAX formulas and cleaning your data. Thank you very much. Thanks.